Okay, let's try that again. Drunk surfing 101. Pay attention.
Boogie board master did it.
Are you paying attention?
Hey, boogie board. Hey, boogie board.
No, I got this. Shut up, Curtis. I got it. Whoa! Yeah, my boobs are coming out everywhere. Oh, Jesus! Okay, false alarm. It's all right after all. Oh no! Stick with me, guys. You'll get places. All right, you're back with me. Come on, let's catch a wave.
The whole family's
Oh, boats
here.
are in, right? Okay.
Get on it.
Oh, ah! Okay, I'm gonna sit here and wait. Hey guys. Boob check. Boob check. Okay. We're gonna go underwater. You ready?